HP Omnibook X Flip 14 inches. It comes with an Ultra 5 processor, 226V processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 14 inches Full HD touchscreen. This is the design of this unit, and here you can see the connectivities: USB port, HDMI, Thunderbolt, and USB port. This is the backside design. You can see Omnibook logo and ventilation system and hinges you can see. And let's see the other side. One USB port and headphone jack combo. This is the backside design. Here you can see Copilot Plus PC Ultra 5 Intel processor, and this is the keyboard and smooth touchpad. And here you can see HP Omnibook X Flip laptop with AI, and here you can see backlight keyboard. On top of the keyboard you can see the power button, and this is the hinges. It's a 360 degrees touchscreen. This is the touchscreen Full HD 14 inches, and here you can see the camera. It comes with a privacy shutter. 360 2-in-1 laptop. It comes with the Intel Arc 130V graphic, 14 inches touchscreen, 16GB RAM, DDR5, and 512GB SSD. So tablet mode also you can use. 180 degrees flat. The full details and price I'm going to mention in the description. Please check it. So thank you for watching. Please like the video.